Hello everyone, this is grade 1, module 5, lesson 8 homework. The directions state, circle the correct words to tell how each shape is divided. So what we're looking at is whether or not the shape is divided into equal parts or unequal parts for A. So here are my lines. And are these equal, meaning can I set this piece on any of the other pieces and have it completely cover it? And I can't, so they're unequal parts. So if we look at B, here's our line going diagonal. If I can take this side and cover this other side in white completely, then they'll be equal. And I can't just slide it over top. I might have to move it around or rotate it a little bit, but it will. It'll cover it. So they are two equal parts there. So let's take a look down, and I'll do one more of these. So now down below for C through H, they're asking you to figure out how many parts you've broken this into. So let's look at E. And we have it one cut this way and one cut this way. And now we want to know how many parts are made. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know 4 are quarters. Halves would be if I just did one line going across. Halves are two equal parts. And if we look at F real quick, we have a circle, and we've cut it this way and made two equal parts, and I know that's halves, because this line has cut it in half. So I have two equal parts there for halves. Page 2. On page 2, they're asking what part of the shape is shaded. Circle the correct answer. So for A, we have a line here breaking it into halves, and we have one of those halves shaded, so 1/2. If we look at the next part, part B, we have a square that's broken into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, so quarters, and one of the quarters is shaded, so we have 1/4 that is shaded. Down below for 3 and 4, I'll do 3. 3 says color 1/4 of each shape. So 1/4 means one of the 4. So one of the 4 parts need to be shaded. So I see for this first one, the rectangle, it's broken into 4. I'm going to pick this one and I'm going to shade it in. Doesn't matter which one I shade in, but it can only be one of those because it's one out of the 4. For the next one, it's a circle, and it's broken into quarters again, or 4 parts, and I can pick one of those 4 to shade, meaning they're all equal, but we're only looking for one to be shaded in. For question 4, you're going to color in 1/2 of each shape. So we'll go through and do the same exact process for that one. This oval, 1 out of the 2 is shaded. And when we look at this other shape, there's 4 pieces there, but it's asking me to do 1/2. So I'm only going to look at one of these lines. And now I have 2 parts. I have one on this side and one on this side. So I'm going to shade half of the entire shape. And we see now I have a shaded part in blue, and I have another part off to the side that is the same size. So they're 2 equal parts, which is halves. Hope this helps, and good luck on your homework.